Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. Let's have a look at how DFM market did overall last week. I am on the weekly chart and we are seeing 5 red weekly candles, meaning DFM market index is under selling pressure for more than a month. Last candle, if we see right here, this is the last weekly candle that is indecisive. It's a dodgy candle, meaning buyers and sellers are still confused about the direction, and our support zone is still intact. It's holding right into the area that is 4140. So this is looking bit safe, but still market is under pressure. Overall on the weekly chart, we need a confirmation which direction market is choosing, whether it's upside or continuation to the downside. So after a strong uptrend, maybe this can be a correction phase and then we can see a new leg to the upside. So still market can make a move. It's not that trend has reversed already on the weekly chart. There are chances we may see a bounce up. Let's go down to daily and see how the chart is looking. And here we can see a good bounce was seen in Thursday's session with this hammer candle that is green. This candle that is very indecisive that was printed in Friday's session. So for now, as we can see, this zone that is 4120 is holding up the market index, and from here if we talk about next hurdle, then this is the area of interest to me. If at all market can break this zone that is above 4200 zone, then I would consider DFM market to be bullish again, and there are very high chances it can even break out 4240. So till the time DFM market index is trading within or above this zone, it should be still considered safe. On the daily chart, we can see trend is now bending. What do I mean by this? Check this out. Market was beautifully trending. It was making higher highs and higher lows, and after this bearish chart pattern right here, that is head and shoulder pattern, we saw a breakdown, and from here we are seeing continuous selling pressure. After this uptrend, market went sideways and now we are seeing downside momentum. So overall, I think there are still chances market can bounce up, but on the weekly chart, if at all we can see a break of this zone, then we can confirm downtrend has started, and then we may see market coming down lower till about 4080, 4030 points. So next week will be very crucial for DFM market index. Any closing above 4200, consider it bullish. Any breakdown below 4140, we can consider this to be bearish. And this is the weekly chart of Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange, and trust me guys, this is looking negative. We are seeing a rejection of this zone that is 9080 points. We are seeing long wick at the top. This indicates selling pressure is persistent and there are no strong buyers in the market. So overall, to summarize on the weekly chart, ADX market is still under pressure, but there are very good chances we may see reversal from here, and I will tell you the reason why. Let me go down to daily chart, and here we can see this is the area that I have been discussing lately in my videos, that is 9080 points. Check this out. It tried so many times to break out. Although this is a minor resistance area, still it could not be broken. Look at this. After a solid rejection, we saw continuation to the downside, and on the daily chart we are seeing a small green candle. This is very weak. This does not give us any indication that buyers are strong or buyers are getting accumulated here. Now from here, there are chances. If this zone that is 9080 points is rejected again, then as I mentioned, this zone is very important for the market, that is 8980 to 9000 points. Market can come down here and then it will decide whether more downside is coming up, or it can reverse from here and start a new trend to the upside. Now reason I say there are very good chances of reversal from this zone is because a very strong stock that is Multiply is showing some positivity. We see usually traders and investors trade Multiply in big volumes, and in Friday's session we saw very nice volumes in Multiply. So let's check out technical chart of Multiply. This is the daily chart of Multiply. In Friday's session, we saw more than 45 million shares traded. This is very good volume, and we are seeing a nice decisive green candle right into the support zone that I have been discussing. This is the area of demand that was at 2.35. Market could not survive and it broke to the downside. Next area was at 2.30, that was previously a resistance, and this was the zone where multiply was trading within this symmetrical chart pattern. This was the resistance area, this is the support that was shifting up. It broke to the downside and from here it found a stronger support and boomed to the upside. So as I mentioned, this was the next immediate support at 2.30. We saw good buying happening, market was sustaining above the zone, and in Friday session we are seeing nice pump in this stock. Also, let me add, Multiply has released its financial results. We will get our first indication right at the time of opening in Monday session, that is at 10 o'clock. If it opens with a gap up, we will take it as market is reacting positively to the news. If it opens with a gap down, then it's quite obvious that market is reacting negatively and the market did not like the news. So Monday will be very important for Multiply. If this moves, most likely other IHC stocks will also move and it will impact the index overall. That's the reason I mentioned there are good chances that now ADX market index can move to the upside, and at the same time stocks in ADX market are now reversing. They are very good opportunities, so let's make good use of it as they are reversing. Let's catch the trend right from the bottom and ride it to gain maximum out of it. That's it guys for now. If this video was helpful, do not forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.